Dear students, the use of arithmetic mean greater than or equal to geometric mean in trigonometric functions. See, this relation between arithmetic mean and geometric mean is studied from the chapter sequence and series. We are using this relation for many problems when they ask to find out minimum value of the certain functions. So today I have chosen one concept among that is we are using this relation in finding minimum value of a certain trigonometric functions. We are also using these relations in the chapter application of derivatives and more type of problems also arrived in the sequence and series chapter, but in this video I am going to explain the use of this relation in trigonometric functions. All of you know well, if a and b are two numbers, then arithmetic mean is a plus b by 2, and if a and b are numbers, then square root of ab is the geometric mean. This relation is a plus b by 2 greater than or equal to square root of ab. You know this relation we have studied in the chapter sequence and series. Now I am going to explain the application of this result in trigonometric functions. Let's move on to examples. First one, the minimum value of tan x plus cot x. They have given the value of x where it lies in between open interval 0 comma pi by 2. We know that arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean can be used. This is the idea how we can implement this result to find minimum value of this function. Okay, it will be easy to identify also. I choose tan x and cot x are the two different functions, so let us apply definition for arithmetic mean tan x plus cot x by 2 by treating these two are two different terms. Geometric mean, as you know, definition of geometric mean is square root of ab for two numbers a and b. Here two terms, two functions, trigonometric functions, say tan x and cot x, so square root of tan x into cot x. As you know, tan x into cot x means 1. That is because cot x is 1 by tan x, so tan x get cancelled, we left with only 1, so square root of 1 is 1 itself. Let us bring this 2 to the RHS, it is 2 into 1. Therefore tan x plus cot x greater than or equal to 2 means the minimum value is 2. All the values of tan x plus cot x will be more than or equal to 2. Therefore the minimum value is 2. Option 2 is answer. Similarly, second example, the minimum value of 2 power sin theta plus 2 power cos theta is. We know that arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean relations can be used. Now apply by treating 2 power sin theta is one term, 2 power cos theta is another term. Arithmetic mean is 2 power sin theta plus 2 power cos theta divided by 2. Greater than or equal to geometric mean is the square root of 2 power sin theta into 2 power cos theta. As I said, these are the two different terms, so let us use the definition of geometric mean as the square root of a into b. Just simple properties of indices can be used. It is 2 power sin theta plus cos theta because as you know a power m into a power n is a power m plus n sin theta plus cos theta. Now the question is to find the minimum value. Students, you must be observe carefully. Here we arrive with the 2 power sin theta plus cos theta. So I can think of the minimum of sin theta plus cos theta first. That is earlier result you might have studied in the chapter trigonometry at the beginning. Usually a cos x plus b sin x lies in between minus the square root of a square plus b square and plus the square root of a square plus b square. It means the maximum value of this expression is square root of a square plus b square, that is plus. The minimum value is minus square root of a square plus b square. This is one of the important result to be noted. We are using oftenly in many CET and JEE questions. So here in place of a cos x plus b sin x, we can see here cos theta plus sin theta. Therefore a is 1, b is 1. I am choosing the minimum value. Therefore let us use minus the square root of a square plus b square. Nothing but minus the square root of 1 square plus 1 square, 1 plus 1, 2. Therefore it is 2 to the power minus square root of a square plus b square, nothing but minus root 2. Don't get confused, it is square root of 2 as it is, but as we have chosen here minimum value, therefore minus square root of a square plus b square we have taken as a minimum value here. This is from the result this. It has to be noted properly. Okay, therefore 2 power sin theta plus 2 power cos theta by 2 greater than or equal to this value, square root of 2 power minus root 2. This implies 2 power sin theta plus 2 power cos theta. Let us bring this 2 to the RHS. It becomes 2 into this, 2 into square root of 2 power minus root 2. Here is some calculation you have to observe carefully, because purely this is a calculation belongs to the square root properties. Well, root 2 means to the power 1 by 2. So I'll use 2 into, for this 2 whole power half is there. So I'll remove the square root first, 1 by 2. Keep minus root 2 as it is, minus root 2 as it is. Therefore, this square root I have written in the form of 1 by 2. So 2 into 2 power minus root 2 by 2. Now root 2 by 2 means 1 by root 2. You know well, because 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. 1 root 2 get cancelled, therefore 1 by root 2 we left. Okay. So a power m, a power n is a power m plus n, but in place of the second term negative is there. So it is 2 power 1 minus 1 by root 2. Root 2 by 2 means 1 by root 2. 2 power 1 minus 1 by root 2 is the answer. Option 3 is the answer for this. So here we are using few more results, not only relation between arithmetic mean and geometric mean, but also the minimum value of a cos x plus b sin x also we are using. Okay, it will be very useful result. In most of the problem, this result will be useful. One more example, the minimum value of 3 tan square theta plus 4 cot square theta. Arithmetic mean greater than or equal to geometric mean. I'll consider 3 tan square theta as one term, 4 cot square theta as another term. Arithmetic mean is a plus b by 2 greater than or equal to square root of a into b. Once again, 3 into 4 normal numbers, tan square into cot square. Cot square means 1 by tan square, so tan square get cancelled. Only square root of 3 into 4 we left, nothing but 12. All of you know well, square root of 12 we can also write as 2 root 3. Therefore, 3 tan square theta plus 4 cot square theta greater than or equal to, this 2 bring it to the other side, become 2 into 2 root 3, nothing but 4 root 3. Therefore, 4 root 3 is the 4 root 3 is the minimum value. This is the easiest technique of finding minimum value by using this relation, arithmetic mean and geometric mean. Students, usually in the examination we may not come to know, can I use this relation for this problem, because in the problem nowhere they have mentioned by using this relation or from sequence, nothing. But we can easily guess this kind of problem while they are asking minimum value. Because of this result, because of this relation, we can easily identify the technique and we can use for this problem and get the answer. Thank you.
If you like this video, please subscribe our channel Creative Minds and hit the bell icon. Thank you.